Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your gym feed over there. Today, guys, we want to go for another new mock-up. So, if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, like my video, share, and comment. Please and please subscribe. Okay, let's get to this work. Click on your pixellab application. On my new channel, those videos related to this will be out. Please don't forget to subscribe, like my video, share, and comment. I want to create a new channel for action movie. I will also be putting the link in the description below whenever I drop the channel. Please try to watch, like my video, share, and comment. Okay, let's get to this. Sorry guys, I come back. So let's move to today's work. Let me check one of my projects to go for work today. Let me check one of my projects. Using one of my projects today. Okay, let's use this. Let me change the color for you to see it well. Can you see? This is the project too. I think we are all a professional graphic design, so we don't need to be explaining all this always. So that's how it's good. This is good. So save it as PNG. This is very easy, but okay, let me just, I think we can all make this. Okay, let me do it. Because of those people that can't try this, let me quickly do it. I'm sorry. Image size. So YouTube timeline then. Alex. Okay. So mark them together. Now remove the white color. So this eye is good. Then bring a new text, logo. Now you type mock-up here. learn all skills. That's the meaning of LES and typing always. So these are is good. Copy, then I put it here. Sorry, let me log this. So re-edit PSG. Move this. Just give it bold. This Alex font, make it bigger. Those big fonts. Color, so let deep the color. The color is not deep enough. Okay, it's okay right here. Let's change the shape color to red also. Fonts. That's just how I made it too, because I just re-edit it before. I just re-edit the work because of those people that can't go about it. I can still use another fonts. I don't like this fonts because it's not big. It's okay, yeah. No worry, just leave it like that. Then bring in a new shape. Make it smaller. Make it smaller. So change the color to black. Change the color to black. Now press here and here, so just shift it down. Color, so change the color to black. Now merge it together. Copy this. So match the first one and the PSD together. Merge it together. So move it to the side. Press here and here. This here I'm pressing here. These two. to shift it up. Change the color to black. Change this also to black. Merge it together. Lemon squeeze and this, merge it together. Yeah, sorry guys. So now change the font of this mockup. Change the font. This font is not okay enough. I want a font that is small height. A font that have height. That's the font I want. So I'm sorry, I just want to find font. Now change the color to black. So these are our work. Now you can merge it together if you like. If you like, you can merge it together. So after you merge it together, you need to transparent it. So save it. Open your Chrome. So type photopea.com. Search for it. Let's see. That's the thing that will give you a new user. The first thing that will bring out now and take it in back. So press file, open, download, then click on this 3 icon here, then press this download. My people are making some mistakes here. You'll be selecting the image, you will not select the mockup file. There is difference between the image and the mockup file though. Also check the MB. The image size, the MB will be small. The mockup file, the MB will be large, more than the image. You are selecting my work. Select the mockup work. Select the mockup file. Don't select my own work. My own work is just an image. It won't open. So let's move on. Let's just use another mockup today. Let's use this. Let's use this. No, I'm not using this. Let's reload our mockup. Our site, Photopea. I'm not using that mockup. Open, download. After you done downloading my mockup, after you have downloaded my mockup finish, please extract it to your normal download for you to not be finding it anywhere. So sliver logo. Let's try this out. Let's try this. So here we go. Layer, smart object, then open. After you open them, press open and replace, download. So go to your pixellab and select the work. So delete the first layer. Now file, save as smart file, save as smart object. Press save as smart object. I've already pressed it. I think all of us can see save smart object. So I've already pressed it. After you done saving the smart object, this is something must come out as a write-up at the top here for you to know that this thing I've saved as smart objects. Are you getting me? For you to know. Okay, can you see? The thing pop out here right now. So the thing have to pop out always. You save it as smart object. It may not be that statement too, but something must pop out. Okay, so now click on this. After you click on it, you wait till your mockup load. You have nothing to do. You wait till your mockup load finished. The mockup is still loading. We all know in this situation the mockup load invisible. So the mockup is still loading. We are waiting for the mockup. Still loading. We are waiting for the mockup. The mockup is still loading. Here is our mockup. So press file, cancel. Press file, then export as PNG. Then save your work. Open. Let's check our work. Okay. Can you see the work? Very legit. So that's how it go. Meet next tutorial with another outcake. Don't forget to like my video, share and comment. Please and please subscribe. Please. Meet next tutorial with another outcake.